Now it's time to run the RAG process. RAG is actually a question to a generative AI system that is based on data retrieved in the previous step using semantic search. With semantic search, we find the most semantically similar texts in our text collections and pass them to the LLM for further analysis, along with the question we want be answered. We want an answer based on our own data, the New York Times article comments, rather than the LLM's general knowledge. That's why we use semantic search and send the retrieved texts together with our question to the LLM-based generative AI service. Our question is, what commented people about rumors? Now we start the survey and send a request to the RAG endpoint. After about 9 seconds, we receive the response. Let's take the response text separately and reformat it into a more readable form. We can see that the response from the generative AI is more detailed than the output from semantic search alone. At the same time, we can see that our data was actually used. For example, on line 3 is included a quote from a text we saw earlier during semantic search. Additionally, we can see that generative AI is able to correctly understand even poorly phrased questions. The sentence, "What commented people about rumors?" is not well formatted in English, yet the model still understands the intent. This video is a condensed, essentials-only overview of how to build a RAG pipeline. If it gains even a bit of popularity, I will make a more detailed version where I walk through and explain the code step by step. For now, you can find the code in the GitHub repository linked in the video description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.